Hello guys and welcome to Quick Tip Academy. Today we will learn a quick tutorial on how to lock cells in Excel. Cells in Excel are locked in order to prevent users from modifying the cells. This is especially important when we do not want users to tamper with formulas inputted in a worksheet or workbook. Displayed is a data card designed to collect user basic information using data validation. To learn about data validation, watch our quick tip on how to use data validation in Excel. By default, all cells on an Excel worksheet are locked. We would want to unlock the cells we desire users to be able to modify, while keeping all other cells locked to prevent modification. On the name cell, right-click and select Format Cells. Select Protection tab. Untick the Locked checkbox. Click OK. Similarly, same is done for the age cell and country cell. On the menu bar, click the Review tab. Select Protect Sheet. On Section, allow all users of this worksheet to untick Select Locked Cells. Retain tick on Select Unlocked Cells. Type in your desired password. Re-enter password on following prompt. Click OK. Worksheet is now protected. Users can only modify unlocked cells. Data card is ready to be sent to users. Thank you for learning. Please like, so others can benefit from this tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips.